Lily unboxing from cakestack.net. Today I'm so excited. I want to make this unboxing of Bape Ultra Boost. Okay, here is the shoes. Open the box. Before I open the box, you can see the box. You can see this Adidas logo in the Bape logo. Okay, and on this side you got this same Adidas logo in this words from this side. Okay, and now let me open the box. Let me get out the shoes. You got these so gorgeous shoes. Firstly, you can check the come with this so cool box. You can check this pyramid. The Bape pyramid is so perfect. You can check here the quality and the workmanship is amazing. And now let me show these shoes of this side. You got this white 3 stripe on this side. You can check this 3 stripe in white. It's really nice. And here, right here, the black laces holes. And also you can check the stitching right here. You can check the stitching is nice. Okay, go ahead, let me show this boost. You check this black boost. It's real boost, so it feels so soft. And you can check these sun nippers on the boost. Then check this Ultra Boost on this part. The Ultra Boost's words is golden. Okay, so gorgeous. And here, let me show these shoes. The back side. You got these back sides. Can you see this neat stitching right here? It's very wonderful. And also here is the boost. You can check this boost again. The quality is amazing. I really like this boost. Okay, and finally let me show these shoes on the bottom. Please pay attention to the button. You got this black button, but you can check this boost is white. Also check this detail on the middle. You can check the boost again. Really nice. Okay, and also I want to show this insole. You got this insole in different logo on the here. This is Adidas logo in golden, and another one is the Bape logo. And also the shoe tongue, you got this shoe tongue. It has the same logo as the insole. Really cool. Let me show this logo on the shoe tongue. It's so nice, perfect. Okay, on the back of the shoe tongue, you got the size tag. Can you see clearly? The size tag in this pair is your size 11. Okay. Do you like this Bape Ultra Boost? If you like it, you can contact me to get more information about the shoes. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumb up. Thank you so much. I will see you next one. Bye.